Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to show you a new feature available for PDFs inside SharePoint. If I open a PDF in a document library, you'll see here I have Room Rental Agreement. At the top right corner, you'll see the Edit option, click on it. When I go to edit this PDF, I can add text, draw with a pen, highlight, or erase content. But the new feature I want to show you is the ability to add a watermark. When I click on the watermark option, I get two choices, text watermark and picture watermark. Let's start with text. I'll type confidential. And you can see it already appears in the PDF preview. I can make it italic and even change the color. Let's make it red. Now I can adjust the size. Let's set it to maximum. I can also change the transparency, making it lighter. And also rotate it. For example, let's rotate it 60 degrees. You can also adjust the position of the text watermark. Let's keep it in the center of the page. Once I click apply, the text watermark is added successfully. Now let's look at the second option, using in picture. I'll select add picture and upload an image. To add a picture from your local computer, click on upload, select the image, and it will automatically be saved in the document library. You can see I have one saved here in the document library, a room rental agreement. Now I just select it. And as you can see, the images now appear as a watermark in the PDF. Here, I simply change the position. I can also adjust the scale to make the image larger or smaller. When I click apply, you'll see both the image and the text watermarks applied together. And of course, I can save the file so that it stays there the next time I open it. Let's check what happens if I open the PDF again. As you can see, the watermark is still there in the document. That's it. This new watermark feature gives you flexibility with both text and images. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.